Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka kenhun Meghalaya Blind Football Club Kabalayo ra ya ka nam Lahduh ha ka 6 Nbft Men's National Blind Football Tournament Arhajar Arfuar kabalalong ha Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Kala Shah Pynkup Burom ha ka Arf Sautre Unailur Arhajar Arfuar hadin ke jingwan pai shela ka jong kajila. Ha ka jingwan Pynkup Burom kabalalong ha Hotel Assembly. Lasa kilang dauba MH Karkerang u belalong ukongsan haringkat ka jingwan lang jong ba lari pi warjeri kami kikpa jong kisamla kini ke kunhon ni lekai bat kiwe ki belasyak khot sengau pha kumun chupen tip hang ni ba kini ke lempung lekai ke beralong nadu ka khat pratrek hadu ka arpo trek unai luar arajar arpuar ha FC Marina Perum Bakam ba la pelong da ka IBFF kidon khat arli jela ki belai shementa ha ka ji lekai jong ka wat ka beningkong kini ke kunhon ni lekai jong ka jela Meghalaya kala pelim no e ke kunhon ni lekai na Delhi da lai la kawai kat bah haji kun hakawat kebaar kani ke kunhon ni lekai nak jela Meghalaya kalala man pelem no ya ke kunhon ni lekai nak jela Rajasthan da ka wei lanot kani ke jing job jong kani ke kunhon ni lekai nak kani jela Meghalaya kala yai beteng wat hadu ka kalai kun jong ka semi final da ka pelem no ke West Bengal da saw lanot bat haji kun final ka kunhon ni lekai jong ka jela Meghalaya kala yo ra sendon ya ka nam Lahduh dah bapa pendiam ya kunhon ni lekai nak jela Kerala da Arlanot dah kini jing job kini kunhon ni lekai jong jela Meghalaya hapok jing lam jong coach uba dondor nongrum bat ugol guide uba Shan Bor Mi Suchang krayo Korea khusnam da kasong pisa ka balai pho jatangka lembat ke trofi
ba ngiyo ben participate hati apa Chennai ka dealing ba ka Indian Blind Football Federation mo ka invitation letter yang ni te mas nyop yang ka invitation letter ting ngi pendap ki form ye ting let te ngi pendap tu form ngi submit ke hatu ke pisar ngi submit hatu lai hajar ke sistem dan ada begitu berkhot te kilap yang ini kejung lak ka jung stay mas let nan ni Meghalaya ngi res mo masin poin sate ngi yo tamas ndap sum ndap site tingin apun ka game ke first game jungi kendo barka Delhi haka ta singi ar game haka ta singi lakai basau baje barka banyo baje hanyo baje kendo barka Gujarat ya ka Delhi ngi job lai la kawai Gujarat kawai la not tingi kendo semi final persya ya ka West Bengal tangi lakai men step ra baje ngi Itam saw la not final ngi kendo persya Kerala ar la not kini kigur baro la thabdau Kilingson di marak ka hadin pat ka first game ngi thab lai la ka wei thab Kilingson di marak thab ar kibra nang room thab ka wei tek persya ka Gujarat thab Kilingson di marak sigol hak semi final baro thab da Kilingson baka final baro khot thab da Kilingson ngahanga te kam de shu first time handai ka first time kadai dan wi pelo jangai ni keting jon ka first time mi ngateng alai la Nbft sebar ka national ngalit participate Nbft ningkong bangilet ngimpat sno baka tura yang latang ke Selong Sausin dan hakas senam arhajar arpuai macam senam yesno ringkat no barka tura no bar dangilet tang ke Selong ke mityang show tang ya sim no tang ba sim lang no ken tup lang no yak turang ni ano Meghalaya Blind Football Club habang ila ka sabar long kebun ke jinglut mo dang ila ka stit la jong pat kadun ka khamduna ke jinglut arbal ila ka sabar kumut ngidon mi kata ke jingthut hakal liang benwan ka baile bad dang ila nani stadium ka long ka biang bet hande ka bawan ngi jenjar ngju yo than kata confirm seat da confirm ru habe share narba ke confirm berkhot dangilit prangut kalau confirm meru santeli tengi habia share kan si tim kowe ka sit ka bam i te ka biang lut stay na dong sedang ki pen biang ma tang ka tang sebelang ka sponsor ngi jenjar ben yo hadu menta te ka government kampat pendekan nam tajongi tang ko game ro tate ngimla ban ong mo no bang ngimla ban keno sarkar ro ya tate nomor ba ngim dalet mi mo saki sarkar na ba dang ong ben let mi ro we sa shwe lam da filet mar we ka sarkar kampet dang ile dakat tim dakat grup mo dakat sarkar ka keluar ke ben pediang ni dalet we arngot ka sarkar ka jen ka ben pediang dang ile pan sponsor ne kena konoro.
Thank you for giving me a chance to speak. So, actually for Chennai tournament, we didn't practice even one day. So, without practice only, we went to Chennai for playing. So while traveling, we face so many difficulties. Like my friend Resinu say, we don't get a confirmed ticket. That's why we face we face so many difficulties. And what to say, even food, we don't get enough food because we have no money that much. That's why we face so many difficulties. And when we reached there, we played without rest. We don't have rest before playing. Just I think 2-3 hours we took rest, but we couldn't sleep. Since we traveled, we couldn't sleep. Till coming back from Chennai, we couldn't sleep properly because we don't have we don't get ticket confirmed. That's why we couldn't sleep in train also. So while before playing, as I said before playing, we couldn't sleep, we couldn't take rest. So we played in first day we played 2 games against Delhi and Gujarat. So after then we reached to the final semi-final. Then we beat in semi-final we play against West Bengal. So we beat West Bengal with 4-0. So and then we reached the final, and in final we played against Kerala. In final we beat Kerala with 2-0.
Kacing practice te ngiduna kacing practice ma namar bagi dan lang baru akacu kati berkali tu kui kati ngimi ya kendut lah akacu ngimi salang namadan ibasa sepo baru suruh kidan sepo lagi ngajang kami practice lang baru hiduna kacing practice jongi hendrai dia baca ingat sistem jongi pat ngiala ban penurlang kacing kuat jongi kin jawab ngiyo ban ra kasin amdesyo kasin menikung kadang ada kabalaisen bangira ya ka national champion kacing pekret jongi nes kemat kalang bangen yai sistem ban nes kemat ma ngewat kilat kelenti kumno bangen yo ban ya practice lang baru kawi ke tim bat nginwat ru kata ka ngin studi ngulam kawi kata kemadan te ngimyo ara kebabiang kemadan namar ba ngim dan pisah ban siu te bai madan ru manga bahasa hostel te ngayak ban la ban yo kemadan school am ngamar wai bahasa hostel ngala ba ya practice santai ru marwai hane ki kiwi pat kimyo ken kiwan nayen ngiran kami kata ru mo dan mar klem dan kamaran kebabiang ngir ngimla remo ngi kan nga practice te madan jongi ka de kamaran kemlebha tak tar kamaran ka ba menplang itu ki ba biar ramadan kasnium kamadan ada ngilepai pat man ki ba biang pat ngithut te ka jonga namar ngelak cumulir kemaran ke basniu am anda ngalak kai pada kemaran ke babha ngalong thun ila dia kan ngamlang syuk ban ra bol ru ban kai first game tu second game ada kai final bang asang sotu kan kumda bangan ra nomor amlian itu ar game sekemat
em ya ka game te don handman jangamo Gabriel Ngrum to open baik mu kan kini ke player tengah ngasu ya lambe iki em ngalong coach tang mentasin ka ba lekai mentasin daiga ba ye chena tengah tipra kemadan kita oh kajinya i jangan stay ba ki lekai te kabyang hi karkom bata jingi kabyang te karkom lekai jungkir kabyang namar ki hap ngab ya kajing ong jangi ta jing bata jingi kajinya perde ki bam dan jintuna te halaj ban batai yakini ki ba dan jintuna pada ngi hap batai mangi da kira bol ngi hap batai don beriho kemat ngi hap batai hap pelai gitu mungkin dapat ki ngabek kat ba batai mangi ki lara baik tak kisah bah kemud kila kai bah, iyo bah ya ke bol tu.
te haga jing sngo ke jonga hi ka keme mo ngalong ngan chue thuk ndiat mo story jong I te ban nung kong mo ba idang le nung kong shabar te ka kum kamen siam ngi keme mo long idang don kata kamen siam tiang mo namar kalong bapli ba I ka khman te haga jing long keme jonga so dio so slai mo ang wada yang haga jaka bi isong rungi hab mo ban hai jaka ba em julai tu hab ban nyalam mo yang haga jaka la jong iya itrei ihtai te haga jiso jonga ngasulong tai namar balong ya le syakabar jong gejala ngasngo den kata kacing tiang kacing siir mo ong tip kenle umno kene ya bam ne mo haga jing yai lenti kenlong kumno te haga ni ka bam ta ba de bai le hadian menta palong ba le asin le sin telong hanga hi ka mesim jonga ngam dan than chu kata ka mesim so tiang no namar ila le asin te kuman siong no menta klip mat mo kila job lai sin na kanika jelam Meghalaya mo kila ora ya ka championship ya long lai sin te ka jingong kemi jonga ngadon kata ngadap da kata kemesim kecing kemen mo namar nga long no yukun ngam chu pendum mesim na do dangren te haduk kan klip maru yang ai mesim be I lai te tangkata te bang apet mo menta long tangkum niru te ka menjuang no lada ngi ki be pahi ngi ai mesim ya la ki jong ki kun mo long mak ka cing em jong ki ru ki ken yo ya kata ka cing kemen mo nama dalong kum ha ka cing em jonga nama hoi ya kata ka bong baken le sabar don hi kata jing sep tiang mo kembang along benne te tangba kadai padi ka pali jong ki mo nama ki hab bi ban pen I kata kasap mo ka baidon hai kata kasap ko pong ka bau blai bla halol jong ki mo wala da em yo I ka khmaru te na kaliang hinga ka kemi te nga kentu mo ya ki wairu ki kemi la ne ki pa ki men para jong ki kena mo ki ba don ha kata ka bombiang kata ka dokhat met mo ada ki don ya kata ka sap ka phong mo ba ki dei ban ai men sim dei mo ban ong ban tiang ada ki mi na kabar na ka jela la jong ban le chakawai ke jela mo ki dei ban ai men sim me ki amar kham tam kum ha ka pathai mentale ki man siong no ha ka phun baladon ka phun mo ila yo ban kren ki miet palasi mo dei ka ma ki to ki por wa padan phun te dang don ni kata cing tiang ta tak man siong no yo hi ban kren I bat miet bat singi bat step mo la dang I dot kwa ban kren I te ngaru ngas kuntu kum tahi ki keme ki pala da ki don ki khun mo ki badon ya kata kasam ka ba ada kasap ha karwai ne ha ka syar ne ha tem wa lada ki don ha ka jing don da khat mer ki dei ban ai men sim ki mo kumba manga nga ai men sim la jong khun te ngen dei don penduk men sim ki mo namar ba ada ngi penduk men sim ki kan susi mo la long kan penduk no kasap ka ba blai ai la jong ki te tang
success stories. And I do hope that the government thinks about these kind of budding talents and not to waste them, because they are the ones who will inspire others. You know, so the thing is, we have these young boys who have lost their vision, and but still they have been able to manage this kind of championship. You know, they will become an icon. They will become a role model for many other people, for many other young boys and girls. That is what I really want, is that we have to make these kind of budding talents, they should be the role models of our young boys and girls. And unless we can do that, I guess the future of our young boys and girls we will not have that kind of future when it comes to sport. So I do hope the good work about Lari and all the coaches now continue, and whatever small way that we can bring in, and whatever small way that we can help these young boys grow, we definitely will continue to support them in whatever way we can. And may God bless them, may God give them the strength and the ability to continue doing well. And I give my best wishes to this Meghalaya Blind Football Club. Thank you very much.
All these people here, sir, because I'm surprised also to know that for the last 3 years they are the champion of the Indian Blind Football Federation Cup. So that day one of the press people called me that I met one guy in a taxi, I think Renaissance, I think, She called me, she said this guy, blind guy is going to Chennai for football. I was very shocked. So being a part of the sports enthusiast, then a martial art artist at the same time, I said I don't have money, but I will give you blessing. So in the same place, I met ministers here. In my own capacity, I try to help them, whatever I can. But later on, after 4 days, 5 days, they said, sir, we are the champion. Then it really made me happy and so happy that I said, no, we should do something that they should have a regular sports association. They should have a strong body with them. Because, see, out of nowhere, a blind person also can see that they can do something. Without any support from any corner, we don't blame anybody.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.